Driving a car or scooter is very easy post surgery because it doesn't take that much of a body weight while driving your car or scooter. So you can drive your car and scooter usually from 6th week onwards. You can start doing it. It is a false myth. The knee replacement will last long, and due to modern day technique and advanced implant designs, the knee replacement in my view can last for around easily 15 to 20 years. The one possible risk in knee replacement is infection, which holds 2% any good center in the world. So infection can be one complications which can lead to failure, which is always there in any of the surgeries which is involving such kind of a high-end surgery. Indian government has made a fixed price for the knee implants. As a result, the price of the joint and the knee replacement has come down compared to before. And top of that, Mahi Clinic along with KBSMC Trust are doing it in another affordable price which you can avail it.